What we're going to cook now is the family favourite, the children's favourite, Norse stockpot soup. There's no real recipe, just water and stockpot. So to begin with, we will put in 3 stockpots. We can always add, we can never take out. I might put 12 in, who knows? I like those sunshine flavours. I personally, for my taste, think it needs another stockpot. And once it comes to the boil, cook for 15-20 minutes. I would always recommend people to make 2-3 litres of it and put it in the freezer. It's an all-in-one dinner. Because to make 1 litre is very hard, you're not going to get the flavour into it. So always make a bigger batch, 2-3 litres. And there is our Norse stockpot soup. Delicious, even though I say it myself.